Hi Saurabh, good morning.
Hi.
The restaurant is about to open by
Yes.
12 o'clock. It's almost 11 now. What do you think? Will we
Yeah,
open on time?
boys are doing good job, but yes, they are quite new with all these things. Trying their best with limited resources, as you know, this is an entrepreneurship program, and they are supposed to. They have got the money from the college, and they're gonna
Okay.
give it back to the college by
Oh,
making
wow.
business out of it.
Oh wow.
So altogether, it's the kids. Those are going to be professionals tomorrow. They're already trying to prove themselves to be successful businessmen in restauranting business.
Oh,
So they're competing with around 3 to 4 restaurants around this place.
okay.
And yes, they have done a lovely marketing job. Already there are companies like Snida, like your IBM. They would like to place some orders with them.
Okay.
And let's see how it goes on. You can see the kids.
Saurabh, I see a lot of ethnic props lying around. So
yes.
what is the theme of the restaurant?
You know, they have to. I again come back to point zero, which is the program is with the entrepreneurship. That's why they need to look for the clientele. Who would dwell on the food and would take the food the way it is. And we all Indians and the clientele over here would also expect Indian food. So
Okay.
keeping all this in mind, the menu that they have chosen is a Indian menu.
Okay.
And for that, it's an Indian ethnic look that we have given. And predominantly you will find more of Eastern culture which has been put up over here. That's only because it's easy to find over here, and it's cheaper. And it can actually give you a lot of touch to the restaurant, which is actually a restaurant lab, a laboratory wherein they would practice their practicals of restaurant, and to transfer the entire thing into a business restaurant wherein they would make money out of it. It's a task. I'm
Let's
happy to
see.
see them working.
But 60 minutes to go. Are you tensed? Are you stressed? Doesn't look
No,
like
it's their program. It's not my program. I'm just over
Okay.
here to see that yes, they're doing it well.
Okay.
And yes, they are tensed. Javed being the leader, and there are 4 or 5 more boys. Like there is Pranjal, there is Vidhi, there is Sagat. They are doing a lovely job. I must mention the name. Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. All right, then I'll
Wish them
catch you in
luck.
action.
I have already.
Thank you. Hi Lovelish, what are you doing? What is it that you're doing? What is it that you're doing exactly with this dry leaves? Huh? What is it that you're doing with this dry leaves?
Now I'm going to wash the leaves.
Okay. Okay, even Nikhil looks in action. Nikhil, what is it? Is the restaurant going to be ready by 12?
Yes sir, we are ready. We are doing what?
Let's see. Good morning, chef.
Morning.
What do you think of the Flavors restaurant? It's almost 55 minutes to go now. So do you think the food is going to be ready by then? I guess your first
Actually, food will going to be ready. I think so. I hope so. Ki food will be ready. But if 1 or 2 items maybe due to the supplier, we are starting first time today. So we'll ready by another 2 hours or 3 hours.
Okay. And hopefully, are you looking for some feedback from the guests? Are your chefs going to
Sure,
meet
of
them
course,
and have some interaction?
Sure, of course, I will find feedback from the guests, those who are having the food from the. All our foods actually made by our students actually.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So they all are making the food. Maybe some flavor is missing or maybe high flavored, but will be good.
Okay. Which dishes do you think chef will be selling the most today?
I think that is the kati roll and the sasli.
Okay.
Both are the item very chunky item, actually very tasteful item as well as. So I think this will be very.
All right, then let's wait and watch if your prediction comes true. Thank you. Thank you, chef, and all the best to you students. Guys, all the best to you. Hi Harshita, hi Pranjal. What do you guys think? You guys think you'll be opening up the restaurant on time now? It's almost 50 minutes to go.
So we can open our restaurant time.
Oh yeah? What are the things which are pending right now to complete?
So not the things are pending, just we have to do finish touch-up. So
Just the final touch-ups and the restaurant will be ready in a
Okay.
few time. We are very excited to welcome our guests who
Okay. How do you think your marketing plan was? I mean, are you satisfied?
Marketing plan is awesome. Our some of the guests are invited today. They'll
Okay.
come and they'll have the food, and if they're impressed, we'll get a further orders by that.
Okay. Are you planning to have some kind of a feedback system from your
Yes,
guests?
sir.
Yes, sir,
And-
surely.
Getting the feedback
And we are
forms.
planning to give home deliveries also.
Okay.
We have
So
got,
from tomorrow we'll
good
start that.
daily order for the delivery.
Okay. All right. All the best to you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Hi Harsh. Good morning.
Looking at this restaurant, I'm a bit skeptical, bit scared. The restaurant was likely to start in another 30 minutes, and this is likely to enter at any point of time. And what I see, the people are still in wet confusion. It seems to will take some more time.
But I see a lot of adrenaline rush. You know, your boys look excited,
Absolutely,
but
absolutely. But we are actually behind by 2.5 hours. We should be ready by for the operation.
okay.
But it seems to be better.
And I was just in the kitchen. The kitchen seemed to look to be on time. You think?
This would be our face. The guests will come and would like to get entertained at the restaurant. And the restaurant is not ready. There's no point having the food ready.
Okay.
So it's very important to have the place in line.
All right. Okay. So do you, what do you think? We'll open up at 12 sharp.
Let's
Do you
keep
think
our
things will?
fingers crossed there and expect that they'll be able to open the restaurant in another 30 minutes. I
Okay.
gave them deadline of 30 minutes. Let's see.
All right. I know you're busy. I'll not take much of your time.
Yeah, thanks.
All the best to you and your boys.
Painting.
Yes, sir.
दिखा पेंटिंग में कहाँ दिखता है इसका?
Oh, we have an artist here, Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee himself. Oh wow, this Mr. Mukherjee. So, were you a born artist, or this is because of the stress and the pressure that you have? You had to do this. Mr. Mukherjee, no comments.
No comments, please.
This is nice, though. I mean, I'd like to take this home after the project is over. What do you think?
Yeah, please, all yours.
Thank you, and all the best to you once again.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. What is this project about flavors that these students are doing? I see a lot of action there. What is it all about? If you can?
The students have been asked to set up a restaurant, like a real live operating restaurant, and the objective of this assignment is to ensure the students who will be future managers and entrepreneurs will understand how to manage any setup on a profitable basis.
Okay.
So they have to understand the costs, the setup, the operational hurdles, and they have to do crisis management of an operational unit on a daily basis, and at the end also learn to earn profit, because that is the ultimate aim of any business. Since they are going to be associated with a running operation very soon, this is the a kind of a learning experience which we wanted to give them before they finally ventured into the industry.
Okay, but is this a ongoing thing, or are we doing it only for a period of time and maybe we'll move this on to someone else? What is
See,
it?
the thing is that the project and the assignment is definitely an ongoing thing, but the people who will be doing it, they will be changing for time to time.
Okay.
So this current project is assigned for 1 month. So students would be working on this for 1 month, and at the end of the month, they would be expected to show the profits.
Okay. Ma'am, today is the first day of the launch. I see we are having a soft opening there. I'll zoom into the restaurant a little bit. There's a lot of adrenaline rush. The students are really excited. But some of the things look a little disorganized at the moment. Do you think we'll be able to open on time at 12 o'clock when the first
Well,
day
that's
starts?
another learning experience. I think everybody has to
Yes, of course.
understand. Every operation is time bound, and they have to understand that they have to work within a specific time limit. So let's hope that everything will be fine before the opening.
Thank you, ma'am. All the best to all of us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hi, Simran. Good morning.
Fine, sir.
How are you? You stressed? You don't look stressed.
No, I'm not stuck. I'm very enjoying this.
Okay, but you think your food is gonna be picked up on time since your
Yes,
first guest?
sir, definitely.
Half an hour to go or 40 minutes to go for the first guest walking in.
Yes, sir.
You think your food will be ready? How you?
Yes, it will be ready.
I see only two of you. You and Pooja are working here. Where are the rest of the chefs? Are they all running around?
Yes, sir, they are running around. They are doing different work and we are doing different works.
Oh, the work is the tasks are being segregated. And,
Yes, sir.
okay, I hope you guys know that you will be marked on this.
Yes,
So what do you feel? You have butterflies in stomach. What is the feeling? Are you?
Right now we are only considering like we have to run the restaurant.
Okay.
We are not talking about like marks. We have to
Okay.
give our 100%.
Okay.
If we give 100%, we'll get marks also. So
Very nice. Pooja, what do you think? You are planning to change the menu maybe next week, or you will continue with the same menu?
So it depends on the guest.
Okay.
If we see more guests are coming, then we will definitely bring some new items on the menu.
Okay.
But we will surely take out some items from the menu.
All right. Okay, then I'll not disturb you anymore. Continue working and all the best to you guys. Hi, Lovelace. Good morning. So, what's happening? You think you'll finish on time?
Yes, sir.
Nikhil, you think you'll finish on time?
Yes, sir.
You've got 30 minutes to go. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, hi. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. So, what are you guys up to? What are you exactly doing here?
We are going to open our restaurant 12 o'clock. So
Okay.
planning for the last moment.
It's another 30 minutes to go. You think you'll be ready? I see a lot of mess around. What are these banana leaves for?
These are table mats.
Okay.
Just there.
Okay. So these are these will be used like table mats. You have one here already. Oh wow. What is the theme for this week? Or is this?
The theme is Indian village.
Okay.
So we have used contemporary Indian accessories like hand fans and pullos
Okay.
and these diyas and
Okay. Will you guys continue with the same theme, or
Yes,
you want to
yes,
change
sir.
it every week?
we'll be continuing the same thing.
Okay then. All right. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Prema and Sonam, all the best to you guys too. Thank you. Chef, good morning.
Good morning.
I see, the food is almost ready, if not complete. We've got another 20 minutes to go. Do you think the food will be ready to be picked up by then?
As you can see, the work is going on in a very rapid force. So hope the food will be ready, and the students are working hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about their energy levels? Are they giving their inputs 100%? Are they
Yes,
totally
yes,
input?
100%, and they seems to be working very hard for a long time. So, and it's a very great learning experience for them.
They do look excited to me, and I see a lot of good-looking dishes, if I may say so, because I have not tasted yet. What do you think would be the most selling dishes today?
So the most selling dishes would be somewhere your roll and the shashlik and the fish curry. The fried fish with the rice, dal. There's a combo meal plus as well as your shashlik and the roll and even the pakoda.
Okay. All right. So you think 20 minutes is a good enough time for you to
Yes,
have your food
yes,
picked
yes.
up? And are you also looking forward to some kind of guest interaction by your chefs in order
Yes.
to take feedback?
Yes,
And okay, will the menu change next week, or you're planning to keep
Let's
the same
see
menu?
how this menu runs, and then we'll talk to our team members, and then we'll decide what needs to be done.
All right, chef. All the best to you and your team. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Okay, Javed, so you're the leader.
Yes, sir.
So do you think it will be ready in the next 10 minutes to go?
Before then.
Before 10 minutes?
Yes, sir.
You're sure about it, right?
Yes, sir.
Your foods are done?
Yes, sir.
So whatsoever I order, you will be able to serve me? Great. He says he can serve in next
I
10
will,
minutes.
sir.
Bravo.
Let's
we
hope
look forward
so.
to see that.
Well, at least the entrance is looking much better than what it was.
Oh, yes. I must say.
But do you think Javed and
You do have a
Vidhi-
nice barber, He works with the leaves. other than with the hairs, he better does with the leaves. So he has done a little bit of good job.
Credit goes to so all credit goes to
Well,
He has done the needful.
it's getting cloudy and it has also drizzled a bit, as we can see the wet roads
Yes.
around. Do you
That's,
think
that's
the-
actually good? It's a good sign. It's a good sign for a better start.
Okay, Javed, would you like to talk about the name of the restaurant, Flavors? Why have you decided the name as Flavors? What was the...
It has a different flavors
Okay.
from Indian cuisine, like Rajasthani cuisine and Bengali cuisine.
Okay. So that is the reason you've named it
sir.
Flavors?
It's a desi flavor, sir.
I include
Okay.
something in Calcutta. The various cultures stay like Bengali is there, Rajasthanis, and also the Punjabis. Okay, so their culture,
Okay.
that flavor.
Okay,
In
so
our
this
menu,
is...
that you find all type of like Punjabi dish, Rajasthani dish, and all those various kind of dishes.
Okay, amazing piece of artwork there though. Desi Flavors, and I see some vegetables being sketched. Who is this artist in house? Who is, you know?
We don't disclose.
He's a great man. He's a great man, sir.
Okay.
But if we will tell you, so he will,
Is this
what
your
he will
trade
do,
secret? You don't want to disclose, is it? Okay, then pleasure talking to you. All the best to you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. इसको इधर सर गेट के सामने देख रहा हूँ.
Well, the restaurant looks almost ready. Rather, I would say completely ready. We've got 5 minutes to go. We hear the music on now. Table, crockery, cutlery neatly set up. Looks good to me. Mercury rising. We now have... Yes, Kajal, how are you doing? You don't look stressed at all.
I'm very relaxed.
Another 5 minutes to go. You guys are ready?
Yes, sir. We are ready.
I guess we've got the first order already, and the food is on its way to be picked up.
Yes, sir.
So Javed, you're the manager, you're the overall in charge.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Today was a stressful day. You think it's going to be a long day? Yeah?
Little bit, sir.
Okay, so it is. I see it has started raining and it's actually pouring a bit. Do you think will that hamper your sales today, or you think it's going to add up to your advantage?
Add up to my advantage.
Okay, let's see then. All the best. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Thank you.
Javed, we don't have much space. That's why we'll do the briefing for today over here. The first day's briefing is now. Javed will start with the staffing and the allocations. Who all would be allocated in which areas, and make sure that your areas has been manned. Need not go into or intervene into others' areas, and make sure that your areas have been looked after well. Correct?
Yes, sir.
All the best from my end. Javed will start with the
Thank you,
next
sir.
part.
And we have got our first order, don't worry. Just back.
Okay, I guess we have the first order which has come already, and the food is almost getting ready to move in any time now. Simran, how long do you think the order is going to take? Another maybe 10 minutes? Okay, all the best.
11, 12. 12. 30, 31, 32. 20, 21, 22. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22. Yeah. Slowly. Pema, second station. Loveless, first station. Stop. Pema, first station. Loveless, second station. Go there. Where is your runner? Showroom, sir. Just. Thank you. आपका ड्रेस रहा है मैडम? आपका ड्रेस किधर है? What all things you will ask?
Sir,
No, feedback the last one we looked at. Feedback from outside. इसमें दोगे? You have a file or something? Folders? Folder है? Get a folder?
ब्लैक वाला फोल्डर है
हाँ, कोई भी A4 size का folder लो. उसके अंदर ही bill दोगे, उसके अंदर ये दोगे. It will not be with you.
वो रेस्टोरेंट में है क्या?
नहीं सुन नॉर्मल वाला ब्लैक फोल्डर्स कहाँ से लोगे तुम?
One day we are going to go job. अच्छा नहीं लगता दादा? छोड़ दो, लगा दिया
This is the look of the restaurant just minutes before we are opening. Thankfully, we have not missed the deadline. It is 12:02 and we are ready to go. Well, initially it was hard to believe that we will start the restaurant on time, but things look pretty much in shape right now. It's just 2 minutes past 12 and the team is ready. The restaurant looks ready. The food is ready. We've got the first order. It's on its way. It should be here any minute, and the runner will take the food anytime now. So far, so good. Let's hope for the best. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to the Flavors.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I request you to do the honors of being our first guest.
Not paying guest or paying guest?
You're the one who's paying us.
Last time I learned
So we have the first order ready and it is ready for dispatch in Technopolis and it's ordered with
Okay, we have the first order ready to be dispatched. Is it as per the promised time? Are we on time? What is the order all about?
so it's kosher mangsho and rotis.
Okay, big hand for you guys. This is the first order. So all the best for all of us. Let's do not delay the order and have it dispatched ASAP. Yeah? Thank you.
we are not paying customers now.
You're right. Cancel the starters then and if you don't have it, it's fine.
But that's bad, huh? We want to have
Just
we can just for this reason.
She is angry, she is cancelling starters. You sell it to her.
now you have to try other thing. Ma'am, try the chicken.
Quite nice to have.
Chicken sauce.
No, I really wanted to have the fried fish. I'm dying for fish. God knows, I just came to Calcutta today just for fish. You don't even have Bhilki much. You have only wee much. I have to with chicken kosha.
Saurabh, what do you think is the problem? What is it that's going around? Any issues here on day one?
These are the hitches that always come when you open the restaurant the first go, but they should have been, be ready with all the reasons to really cater up with when they have been asked about, when they knew that this kind of situation is going to arise.
A lot of learnings today?
Yeah, they must have been learning, but very, very nice thing that's happening to all of them.
All right, thank you.
Action. Okay, one chicken kosha, one kati roll, one papdi chaat, one kati roll.
Hello.
Kati roll.
चिकन कसा जितना सा निकल गया वो पैकिंग में
Kati roll ready.
गाड़ी रोड
ready.
गाड़ी रोड वन गाड़ी रोड जो ऑर्डर है गाड़ी रोड ऑर्डर बना गाड़ी रोड
Coriander chop, coriander chop.
फ्लेवर सैंडविच तो पेश कराएंगे डोंट वरी तो खाली पेश करना है
Good afternoon, chef. Hi, how are you? We have the first set of guests in the restaurant already.
Right. Things will be
ma'am and the team of the faculty.
All right. Things will be given in time. Don't worry.
All right.
Okay, one sandwich for me. Okay, somebody can make a go. You can take care of go. एक साथ मारे
What are you doing here? Char chicken curry. For what? Pooja is saying for what? Pooja for what? Okay.
Hey, oh.
Okay, we see a lot of stress here. We see a lot of people running around. 7 to 8 orders together. The first set of guests, the faculty team, and the director herself. So the kitchen looks pretty busy. Everybody looks very busy. I don't think any one of them would be able to be in a position to talk to us. The chef is trying his hands on himself, trying to help the students. A lot of orders today for chicken kosha, as rightly predicted by chef. Out of 8, I think 4 to 5 orders were for chicken
ये काफी रोल के लिए बहुत मोटा है। काफी रोल के लिए नहीं मिलता है। मैंने तो बोला काफी रोल के लिए मोटा है। Okay, you need to make some dough now.
Again, a lot of orders for rolls today. I see one roll is almost ready.
Okay, jungly sandwich working? Jungly sandwich?
I see the manager himself picking up dishes here from the kitchen. Javed, is it difficult to do the running around from that building to this building in the rain? Have your food picked up? I guess you have a small little kitchen set up there. What is the plan?
Actually, sir, it's not difficult. Actually, I want to deliver a food at time.
Okay.
That's it.
So don't you have runners who will be picking up the order? Why are you here himself? Don't you think you should be there looking at the guests?
So I have runners, but we have a lot of orders now. So
okay,
it's a pressure time.
Okay.
तो दूध नहीं है आपकी मैंने बोला ठीक है को इन्फॉर्म किया तुम हेल्प ले सकते हो यार ऐसे बात नहीं ठीक है बगल में मिलता है ठीक है थोड़ा इसको बोलो थोड़ा हेल्प कर देगा
Chef, sorry to disturb you. If I may ask, how many orders pending and how many have been picked up already?
I think we're working with 2 orders.
Okay.
And 2 orders are to be picked up. Okay.
Okay, very nice.
Chicken ready? Chicken ready? Rice भी ready? Chicken ready?
I see we've already have 3 to 4 orders being picked up already, yes. And 2 orders yet to be picked up.
Yeah. Night में हम काम करेंगे. Night हम देंगे.
Rice and chicken curry. And where is the salads?
Soon.
Salads.
Final touches by chef himself.
Okay, see the garnish now. This should be the garnish. Okay, just wait. Just keep it down. Just keep it back. Where is the salads? Okay. I told this is a composite meal, isn't it? So where is the salads? Tomatoes. You are ready to get I have to save it. Give me knife. Hey, where's the knife?
We have one set of order ready to go.
And what's the smile about? This is supposed to be a comedy show or what?
Louder.
खाना बहुत बढ़िया था। हम लोगों ने चिकन कौशा और चिकन करी ऑर्डर दिया था विद राइस। दोनों प्लेट ही बहुत ही अच्छी थी।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। और आपको हमारे सर्विसेज कैसे लगे?
बहुत अच्छे थे। थैंक यू सो मच।
डेजर्ट
खाए नहीं
मैम आपका डेजर्ट होप यू एंजॉय दैट एंड हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम एंड वी वांट दैट यू कम बैक अगेन प्लीज मेक अस
पनीर एंड मटर पनीर एंड चिकन कौशा
and fresh rice. How did you like the chicken kosha, ma'am?
Yeah, fine.
Ma'am, how was the services?
So fine.
The welcome, your drink was good.
Any feedback, positive or negative, that you would like?
I would like to give one feedback.
Sure.
Okay.
I have this. This was a chicken with the vegetables, just one, which was this in Matar Paneer. It shouldn't be there.
Okay.
So there are the other people you like to talk to? At least